Definitely feels real good to be back out here, y'all. I'll probably set the camera up and show you how long it takes me to set my dredge up. Peace. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming at you with the first cleanup. I went from here all the way to here. You can see where it's kind of white. I haven't went upstream yet. This is exactly where I left off last time. I was just trying to clean out my hole from shit that filled in. But there was a lot of big rocks that came in. I didn't do so hot, but I got a little picker, a little orange picker. It's a nice little orange picker. It's not horrible, but I went for like an hour and a half. So, should have did a little better than that, but I did get like 6 clogs, man. 6 clogs. The Dream Mat's a beast. I love it. I wouldn't rather be doing nothing else. I'm just gonna go right up this channel. Maybe take a little bit of this bank out and take these big rocks and roll them back into the hole I just created. I bet the next cleanup will be a lot nicer. I could definitely pick that one up. Alright, y'all, peace. What's going on, y'all? You see them 3 big ass rocks are gone. Rolled them back into this hole, got underneath them. Multiple picker cleanup. I knew it was going to be way better this time. Amazing. Yep. Amazing. Yep, 2 real nice pickers, man. I'm going to get back at it, y'all. Y'all take it easy. Peace. Last cleanup of the day. Not too bad. I'm just heading up the river, taking a little bit off the shoreline, clearing out to about 4 or 5 foot away. I'm gonna take my sweater off. I'll sweat my ass off. But I'm dying of thirst. It's only 2:30, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. It's a lot of work to get this shit ready to go back across the creek. Alright, y'all. Another day, another dollar. MVP out, baby. There's the snuffer dump from today. Not too bad for Ohio. Maybe a 0.1, close to it. Some real chunky pieces in there. Hell yeah. Alright, y'all, peace.